JBang. JBang is a tool for Java that really reduces the time and effort to start a new Java application or to download a Java application or to install an SDK, etc., or to run Java on the command line, right? On CLI, just like you run shell scripts or Python or shell script, you could just run immediately Java on the command line. So it's really useful tool for both downloading, starting, and installing Java applications. And let's go over these docs to see exactly how it works. So as we see here, we wrote JBang init. First, you need to install, of course, the JBang, just a single command, single shell command to install it. You can tell it to create a Hello CLI Java application and then run it. And you see you already have a CLI application with a couple of options. You can then ask to edit it. But this is actually a complex example. Let's see if we see here a simplified one. Yeah, so you see we have here in the Java application, we write comment and depth. And when you run JBang, and this file, just this file.java, then it would automatically download these dependencies. This means that you can write an application, write a file, just a plain Java file, and give it the dependencies in the header as commands, and it would download them and install them and run them. And so this is how you can install JBang. You just use the curl command with the jbang.dev and then tell it to install. And you can also install it with the SDKman. First, if you use the SDKman to install Java, and then you use SDKman to install JBang, and that's it, you have it installed. And if you run JBang -code and then just plain Java code, it would actually run it. So you can run on the CLI, on the command line, on the terminal, actual Java code simply with JBang -code or -c, and then your Java code like system.out.println hello world. And here we can see an actual example. So we created the directory, then we created JBang init hello.java, then we just run it .hello.java. And then we create another Java file with the CLI template. We immediately run Java -help, and we are able to, and then if we edit this file, we see that we have here the dependencies that it's automatically loading. And because this is a CLI application, we add a new CLI argument with parameters. We use here the Pico CLI library in order to do CLI work in Java. And then we just use the input parameters as a list of string greetings to this application. And when this application would run, we would print string.join and print the greeting all together. And now we run JBang hello CLI.java, and we passed it a couple of words, and we see that it should print them. Yeah, it should print them as we treated the parameter. So basically, JBang just allows us to take Java to the next level, use Java from the command line, write small applications. You don't really need all the Maven boilerplate if you're writing a CLI app. You can do machine learning in Java. You can write small application. It's going to be easy. It's going to be default. You're going to have the init libraries. You can run it externally on the cloud. So all the people that said that Java is complex to start with, etc., with JBang, it's much simpler than any other library or language. With NPM, I told you already, whenever I run npm install, it fails for whatever reason. And I saw super experienced people with Node.js and NPM messing around with all the dependencies. With Java, it's true that we have the complexity, but JBang would ease all the complexity for small, simpler app.